Hey, rage it. How do you can rage it. Yay. My name's G, and I'm home and it's my homie. Yeah, I said what? You don't do it in the butt. I don't care what they say. You a slut, said what? Honey do. I don't care what they say. It's not poo. I don't care what they say. Anyway, let me show you what we doing any day. Go.
Good shots right there. Ow! Watch out, they're pointing towards the house! Shit fire! Lieutenant Dan!
My fuse was a lot longer.
Dan! Woo! Rage it!
Hadouken!
They're going off over there, dude. What's up?
That shit is still going, dude. Just get out. Is it still going? Yeah.
Fucking rage.
Look at all that smoke still going. That smoke is still going.
Can I see a light? Can I see a light? Oh, let me.
Just don't hit the roof.
Hold on!
Just don't hit the roof right now.
Oh my god!
It's a fucking running game.
Yeah, get him! Where's he at?
Shot fired! Where is he?
He's around the corner. He's down near your driveway.
Holy shit fire!
Yeah!
It's suspended.
I don't even know why I'm holding this thing.
Like, you got any mortars left?
Got a few.
I got it.
I don't know who gets from this. I get $10 if my team wins. I don't know what you
Watch it! Shit fire!
You used the wrong tune!
That shit just blew up in our face!
That was awesome.
Wow!
It blew up in our face.
Happy New Year!
I'm calling the cops. I thought it was cool until they found out I put it in upside down.
Nice.
What's up?
Listen guys, I work at Yellowstone. What you need to do,
Like three at once.
block the wind.
Do you want me to come up on that?
That's all you need to do. That's all you need to know, guys.
Why is that not lighting?
I work at Yellowstone. Oh shit! Damn! Damn! I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah. Does it go this way?
Might not go very hard. What do you mean? Okay, because it might not go very hard.
There we go.
Woo! Rage it!
on fire! That's awesome! Oh my god! That thing sucks!
Fuck you, you Pegasaurus!
Hadouken!
Rage it. Rage it.
Just drop it. Stand over it so you can just drop it.
Water's gonna go every fucking.
Yeah.
Oh
shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
No, it was one of the green came at me.
I smell face burning over here.
Be able to like slide in.
Put it like over there if it's not near the fire. You ready?
There we go. Ah, a little competition.
Good competition, dude. Like that shit. No regret. Go.
Move, boys, move!
Shit, shit, shit! I told you that shit ain't gonna work. Oh, that's cool. Watch out. Clock tower's still going.
Yeah, no, that's almost even as many.
That ain't Clark Tower, y'all. That's Nutbush.
No,
That's Nutbush.
that ain't motherfucking Nutbush.
That's Nutbush.
That's the Clark
I
Tower.
know. No, man, no.
Or the I-Bank.
Mayor Harrison made a donation to Nutbush. God damn.
What if the first one would have knocked it over? That would have sucked.
Oh, yo. I've got the trash can. Hey, look. Campaign sparks would blow up all around.
Yay, set the yard on fire.
Somebody jump over it. Jump over it. Jump over Yeah, your car's badass!
Like whipped cream.
Here we go, stand back. Dude, get back, get back, get back.
Go sit down.
He threw to the left.
It's smoking.
Well, hold up.
Say you're lighting some shit. Goddamn.